Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Volkswagen We Connect ID services, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, make sure you have a compatible Volkswagen ID vehicle. Open your smartphone and download the Volkswagen We Connect app from your app store. Once the app is installed, launch it and create a new account if you don't already have one. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information, such as your name, email, and password. After creating your account, check your email for a verification link from Volkswagen. Click the link to verify your account and complete the setup process. Next, return to the We Connect app and log in using your newly created credentials. On the home screen, you will see an option to add your vehicle. Select this option and follow the on-screen instructions to enter your vehicle's identification number, also known as VIN. You can find the VIN on your vehicle registration or on a label located on the driver's side door frame. Once you enter the VIN, the app will recognize your vehicle model. Next, you may be prompted to accept terms and conditions for the We Connect services. Read through and accept these terms to proceed. Now, you will be guided to select which We Connect services you want to add to your subscription. Choose the features that appeal to you, such as remote access, charging management, or navigation services. After making your selections, review your subscription details. If you are satisfied, confirm and proceed to the payment section. Enter your payment information and confirm your purchase. Your subscription will be activated shortly, and you will receive a confirmation via email. To use the We Connect services, simply return to the app and explore the features available. If you encounter any issues during the process, refer to the help section in the app for troubleshooting. Now you're ready to enjoy the full range of Volkswagen We Connect ID services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.